visitation, divine understanding, due to knowledge application, peace, clarity, illumination. I'm here to heal the nation, as above, so below, manifestation. No time for show and tell. Naomi and her greatness behind the veil. Mind, body, soul, sister, beauties made of kale. Deep like Pluto, feisty like Mars. The goddess got cooked up in the moon water jars. 5D, reality, sun, moon, and stars. In case you didn't know, Mecca got bars. I confess I am the high priestess. Oh yes, such a pretty fucking mess. The impress, never need to impress. Nonetheless, 9 stages to completion. Rebirth in the nation, no stress. Be it major or minor, arcana, life's a test. North, south, east, and west. Live your best. Motherfucking life, no strife. It's the tarot talk, baby. I thought you knew, shit'll make you go crazy. It's the tarot talk, baby. It's the tarot talk, tarot talk. It's the tarot talk, baby. Shit'll make you go crazy. In the luna of the night, alright? Yeah. Max Shabazz, illest MC. I thought you knew. 2022, R.I.P. It's a new reality. Peace, universe, peace, peace. It's your girl Mecca Shabazz, the LSMC, here with Tarot Talk by Mecca. I give thanks in advance if this divination resonates. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to stay in the know. Also visit www.worldwidewisdomestablishment.com for your zodiac apparel. Let's offer 5 seconds of silence. 5 represents power to show reverence to spirit. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, thank you. I am tapped in and tuned in. I'm unapologetically organic with all things heard and witnessed while engaged upon my channel, meaning I am not a licensed practitioner of any sort. So with that being said, if at any point in time you feel some type of way, i.e. fucked up, please utilize your free will and disengage immediately. And for those that choose to share time, space, and intention with me, let's go. Let's get into this tarot talk, baby. This read is for Libra. Libra, this is your read, and you showed up with the air sign energy, okay? Some of you were born on September the 28th, okay? Some of you were born in 1982. Air element. I dare you to contain and trap air. I'd like to see you try. All right, you need air. Everyone needs air sign in their life. Spirit says the answer to your question is no. Pout face, because you really wanted it to be yes, but Spirit's like no in divine timing. Right now you're in the midst of growing, so growth here, 10-10, you may be seeing that on the clock, you may be seeing that everywhere. Synchronicity at its finest. Okay, this card is talking about spiritual awareness is opening you to all you are ready to see. Your destiny is being fulfilled. Keep your intentions pure with your eyes looking ahead, and you will continue to increase the growth that is here. Libra, affirm this. The more I invest awareness in my growth, the closer I continuously become to the outcome I am seeking. Growth, baby, growth. Open up. That's what we need to do as well. That's going to be part of the growth process here. Okay, what we don't see is the past life connection here. This is our spirit guides guiding us through growing, opening up, dealing with air. You know, air is spirit. So thank you, Spirit, for showing up and showing out. Also, right after that, I get water. So some of you guys may be strongly connected to water as well, especially in the past life. Okay, let's see here what the Yin and Yang Oracle cards have to say.
for Libra. It's only right to use the balancing cards with Libra energy. We have release, yeah, purge, okay, surrender, emotional release, clearing, walking away, 8 of Cup energy. We also have dream messages. Wow, 5D dreaming. Okay, telepathy, 5D communication, astral travel, spirit guides, signs. Nice. Some of you may have tapped into that, Libra. I'm getting that for some of y'all, especially getting this 5D energy with the past life energy, and then getting the air sign. You got the pyramids here, okay? I'm just seeing that. And then the open up. You guys are wide open, even in your dreams. What else? Okay, there's a spirit. Cold. Some of you guys are feeling cold and you want to control something, but you're quiet about it. You're just observing. You're hiding your feelings. You're being secretive, blocking your emotions with a mask. Yeah, you need to open up. Spirit is already saying that. It's very evident, and this is why you're growing. Okay, 10-10. This is why you're growing. Not a lot of emotion here. All right, let's see what the tarot has to say for Libra. Let's shuffle for Libra. Oh, thank you, Spirit. I'll take it. Oh, get yourself to calmer waters. 6 of Sword energy. Could be a Aquarius coming towards you, Libra. Talk to me, Tarot. Tell me more for this energy here. I'm going to take all those. What is this energy here? Something really wanted you to get this, so I have to take it now. 9 of Sword energy. So we go from the 6 of Sword to the 9 of Sword energy. So getting yourself to calmer waters, but still having a lot of shit on your mind, okay? Spirit is saying you need to heal with the 3 of Swords. This is you, Libra, showing up. And you've been doing a lot. Don't know exactly what you've been doing, but you've been working hard, okay? And it's just time to walk away. It's just time. There's nothing else going on. It's just time. Wow. Spirit is saying, yeah, you have to start a new thought process on how to get out of this, a new game plan. Bottom of the deck is the Temperance. That is Sagittarius energy. What is the advice for Libra? Talk to me, Tarot. What is the advice for Libra? What does Libra need to do? I cannot make it up, y'all. I cannot make it up. Walk away from the things that no longer serve you. Wow. Okay, Libra. What else? Is there any special messages Libra needs to know? Anything else that's Libra needs to know? Stand in your truth, Queen of Swords. All right, Libra, that is your read, okay? Take it as it resonates. And remember to shine in the dark, baby.